This video is best viewed in full screen mode, and on YouTube that's this icon right here. And if you have a high bandwidth connection, it's best viewed in HD, which can be selected by clicking on this icon here and selecting 720p. Alright, if you're watching this video, it's probably because you've had this window here come up. And this is highly unlikely you get this very often, but what this means is that someone else has an exclusive lock on the database, and no one else can use the program until that user uh, has the lock turned off. And in this case here, it shows that the person who has the database locked out is John. This is a login name on the PC, and this here's the name of the PC. And this happens basically if you're in the process of restoring from a backup. The application locks out all of their users because you can't have other users in the database while you're trying to restore from a backup. And also, if you're optimizing the search engine, the application locks out all of their users till that's done, and that's usually just a process that takes less than a minute. So chances are you'll probably never see this window, but if you do, that is what it's all about. The program notifies other users that the application is locked by creating a small file that it writes to the hard drive. It is possible if someone was had a lock on the program and the power went out or something, and the PC did not shut down cleanly, or the application did not shut down cleanly, then that file could be stuck out there on the hard drive, and even though that user's not in the program, every time you try to get into it, you're going to get this message. And in the event that that happens, the first and best solution is to go over and have this person open up the judgment management system and then close it again. And if they do that, that'll automatically clear up all those files. But for some reason, if you can't do that, you can click on this button here, and you'll get this dialog up that looks nice and scary, which is the whole point. And that is, you bring this up and you can click on here, and what that'll do is that'll remove all locks that are out there in the program. It also removes everything to do about what users are logged into the database, everything about what other users may be editing. This is really like a last resort situation. You really don't want to do this if there's any other way. And if you do this, you really want to make sure that everybody else that is currently logged in the judgment management system, you want to get them out of it, and then click on this button. And that will definitely solve your problem, because it will just go out there and erase all the locks that are on the database. But again, you don't want to do this unless there's no other way of getting it fixed. And so that is what this message is all about.